How to key a video in Adobe Premiere Pro. Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, we'll learn how to key out a video background in Adobe Premiere Pro using the Ultra Key effect. Let's dive in. First, open Adobe Premiere Pro and create a new project. Import your video footage and drag it into the timeline. Next, go to the Effects panel. Search for the Ultra Key effect and drag it onto your video clip. On screen, highlight the search bar and show the Ultra Key effect being applied to the clip. Now, go to the Effects Controls panel. Under Ultra Key, you'll see an option for key color. Click the eyedropper tool and select the background color you want to remove from your video. After selecting the key color, adjust the settings to refine the key. Focus on matte generation, matte cleanup, and spill suppression to achieve a clean and professional result. To complete the effect, add a new background. Simply import an image or video, place it below your keyed footage on the timeline, and adjust as needed. Lastly, preview your video to ensure the keying looks perfect. Make any final adjustments if needed, and export your project to share your creation. Thank you for watching. That's it for today. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing content. See you in the next video.